Truthfulness in love. This includes following the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in his conduct with Allah, the Exalted, and people, and his detachment from the material world as an example in every matter. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 31.
Say, if you should love Allah, then follow me, so Allah will love you and forgive you your sins.
Truthfulness in love also includes preferring in every matter what Allah, the Exalted, likes over one's own desires and the desire of others, and by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, over the commands of one's soul. The one who truly loves Allah, the Exalted, will always recollect Him with their heart, tongue and actions in sincere obedience to Him by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions and by facing destiny with patience. The lover will turn away from heedlessness and strive in using the blessings they possess, according to the wishes of their beloved, namely, Allah, the Exalted. They will not forget Allah, the Exalted, nor neglect His commands. They constantly fear their disobedience will cause Allah, the Exalted, to dislike them, which only drives them towards further obedience. They seek the love of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling their obligatory duties and striving in voluntary good deeds, which has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6502. The mark of love is to strive in drawing near to Allah, the Exalted, through every means and to turn away from all things which do not help in this ultimate goal. The beginning of love is when one is given worldly blessings by Allah, the Exalted. But when one gains knowledge and strives in his obedience, they begin to love Allah, the Exalted, whether they receive worldly blessings or not, as they understand that Allah, the Exalted, only gives and withholds according to what is best for His servant. True love for Allah, the Exalted, does not increase in times of ease nor decrease in times of difficulties. The one who behaves like this is only a lover of blessings. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.